come on, we've got work to do. Hey, what are we doing here?
It's the training session
What training session?
about addictions. Maybe Francis can tell us what he drank last night.
Hi.
Hello.
Come on in. So, you were partying last night?
Oh yeah, Sunday evenings at Kevin's.
Had a few drinks? No more than usual.
Sure.
What were you drinking?
Vodka.
Here. Pretend it's vodka. Just serve me a little drink like you would at home.
All right.
So how many can you have and not get drunk?
Without getting drunk, it's kind of hard to say. I can down 5 or 6 in the evening.
5 or 6? A standard drink. 1 unit of alcohol. So how much did you pour? Say 2 units? 5 of these. That's 10 standard units. Regardless of your build, your gender, whether you've had something to eat or not, it'll take you 2 hours to metabolize 1 unit. So if you drink 10, how long will it take?
20 hours.
Okay. Imagine you go to bed at 9 p.m., you get a full night's sleep, and at 7 a.m., you're on site. You're still over the limit. And if you have an accident on the job site, if you injure somebody, you'll be prosecuted. If you kill somebody, you'll be arrested and sent to jail. You ever been to jail, Francis? Right. Hey, you with us? Yeah. When you're on your phone, you don't have the same reflexes. Phones, alcohol, drugs, even certain prescription medication. They all take up space in your head, so you're not 100% there. On site, you can't be half there. You're either there or you're not. Taking drugs, certain medication, causes your blood pressure to fall. Increases your heart rate. Changes your visual perception, impairs your motor skills, coordination, your balance, and alertness as well. You know what that means? That means that on site, at the plant, at a quarry, there are dangers you're incapable of seeing. When you're on your phone, or you smoked a joint, you can't focus on what's going on around you. And in our job, there are no second chances. Well, it's forbidden anyway. We get tested all the time.
Sure, it's forbidden, by some religions too. But we all know that some people drink and dodge the tests. That there are guys who smoke joints, who take pills. But nobody says a word.
What are we supposed to say? I have a colleague. He's like a brother. His father taught me everything I know. Well, the guy smokes dope. Sometimes he arrives in the morning all red-eyed. I can see he's not even there. He thinks we don't notice.
I also have a story about someone. Real nice guy. Liked by everybody. He used to roll a joint every morning. Little ritual. Not dangerous. It's just grass. All organic. And one day, when he was unloading a concrete pipe from the truck, he didn't fix the sling right. He'd smoked a joint, and he didn't fix the sling right. When the load was lifted, the sling slipped, and the pipe fell right on his colleague, his best friend. He died in his arms. That guy who smoked, Francis, that was me. My whole life stopped that day. I should have talked about it.
I sobered up because Mohammed came to talk to me. You knew I had a drinking problem, and you talked to me about it. Now I'm okay. It's all behind me. But I know I couldn't have done it alone. You need to get help.
Right. So we getting back to work or just talking here?
Let's talk.
Colors in the sky, you know that they shine, and you also know my name. I can't forgive you for that. Colors in disguise, I can't forgive you for that. And you also know my name. I can't forgive you for that.